Esteemed researchers, are my niece and nephew with the masters of today's ceremony. As our guest This ceremony stands for the symbol of love, gratitude to our beloved leaders, friends, who have been a great support, joy and strength to us. I request all the celebrities to come forward.
It is the time to escort the guests to the stage. I request all the guests of today's function to occupy the seat arranged on the dais.
I request our beloved principal, Mrs. Vanamala Satish, to escort the guests of today's function to the dais. Please call Sausana Arturo, Sir Subramania and Sri Ganesh Ravi Nadigar. Sir Dr. Krishna Anand, Sir Sri Dr. Nagenda, Sir Dr. Srinivas, Madam Dr. Leda Nagenda.
ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣವು ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ ವಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಸುದೆ ತುಂಬೋ ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಸಿರಿಯಾದ ಸವಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಬಾಳ ಸವಿಚೇನು ವಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಸುದೆ ತುಂಬೋ ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಸಿರಿಯಾದ ಸವಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಬಾಳ ಸವಿಚೇನು ದಯೆ ಇರಲಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಗತಿ ನೀನೆ ಆದಿಯಲಿ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ ಗುರುಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ವರವಾಗಿ ಗುರಿ ತೋರೋ ಗುರುವಾಗಿ ದಯ ನೀನು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಕರುನಾಡು ಬಾ ಬಂದು ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲುವಾಗಿ ಬಾ.
We are gathered here to bid Maslama to our beloved seniors of Sikh Path Basic Destination. This farewell ceremony is not meant for separating you from us forever. It just creates a separation for a while. God knows when we shall meet again.
Here comes the moment of departure. With heart full of pain we say, Ma Salama to you. This is an Arabic word simply means goodbye until we meet again.
Goodbyes are not forever.
Goodbyes are no days.
This simply means I will miss you until we meet again.
We are wishing you a colorful and brightful future.
For seeking gracious presence of the distinguished dignitaries on the dais,
I request Ms. Ashwini Prakash to welcome the gathering.
Good morning to one and all. I am Ms. Ashwini Prakash from 3rd year BSc Nursing, standing in front of you to welcome you all. Welcome is the great virtue of heart. It's my privilege to welcome you all on this auspicious memorable day on behalf of students, teaching and non-teaching staff of this esteemed institution. First, I would like to welcome our beloved President Sri T. Subramanya Sir, who is the founder of this institution. As a great visionary and driving force behind this reputed institution, Sir is a very humble and approachable individual. In spite of his hectic schedule, he has taken time off to be with us. A very warm welcome to you, Sir. I welcome our Principal, Mrs. Vandana Satish Ma'am, to welcome Sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, Sir, and thank you, Ma'am. Heartily welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Sri Kaushalendra Kumar IPS, Superintendent of Police Shimoga. Sir is a law graduate. He is the 2006 IPS batch graduate. He has completed his probationary period at Gulbarga district, Karnataka. Sir has served in various regions of Karnataka as Assistant Superintendent of Police, Panambur Subdivision, Dakshina Kannada district and Alnar Subdivision, Gulbarga. Presently, he is serving as Superintendent of Police, Shimoga district since 23rd January 2013. We are very glad to have such a great personality as our chief guest. I welcome you, sir. I request our chairman, Sri T. Subramanya Sir, to welcome Sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now I welcome the Honorable Guest of Honor of today's function, Sri Ganesh Rao Nadigar, MSCP, the Senior Counselor in Manasa Nursing Home and also a faculty of Mental Health courses offered by Manasa Education Foundation for Mental Health to this gracious occasion. I welcome you, sir. I request our Medical Director, Dr. Nagendra Sir, to welcome Sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now I welcome the chairperson of today's function, Dr. Nagendra Sir, the Managing Director of Subaya Institute of Medical and Nursing Sciences and Hospitals. Sir is the main pillar of this institution, greatly interested in imparting knowledge and skills required in the medical and nursing field. Sir, we are very proud to have you with us. It is our privilege to have you to grace this auspicious occasion. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request our principal, Mrs. Varmala Satish ma'am, to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Next, I welcome the honorable guest of today's function, Dr. Krishna Prasad, sir, Principal of Subbaiah Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Shimoga. I welcome you, sir. I request our Principal, Mrs. Varmala Satish ma'am, to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Heartily welcome to Dr. Srinivas sir, Secretary of Kadikala Subbaiah Trust to this auspicious occasion. I request our Vice Principal of School of Nursing, Mr. Manikandan sir, to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you, sir. I extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Lata Nakendra ma'am to this flower ceremony. I welcome you, ma'am. I request our Vice Principal of College of Nursing, Mrs. Radharashmi ma'am, to welcome ma'am with a flower bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Vinaya Srinivas ma'am to this farewell ceremony on behalf of all who have gathered here. I welcome you, ma'am. I request Mrs. Ushrani ma'am to welcome ma'am with a flower bouquet.
Madam.
Mrs. Varmala Satish ma'am, the Principal of Kadikala Subbaiah Institute of Nursing Sciences, who is the support and inspiration for this function. I welcome you, ma'am. I request Ms. Vishnupriya to welcome ma'am with a flower bouquet. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Vishnupriya. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Adhisheshwar sir, Administrator of Kadikala Subbaiah Trust, who has provided everlasting support to us. I welcome you, sir. I request Ms. Needu CP to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. K.M. Thomas, Director, Admission and Student Welfare, Kadikala Subbaiah Institute of Nursing Sciences. I welcome you, sir. I request Ms. Amla TC to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Thank you for the ceremony. I welcome you, sir. I request Ms. Radhika to welcome sir with a flower bouquet.
Madam.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, Radhika. Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Alvina Panikar, ma'am, Nursing Superintendent of Subbaiah Medical Hospital and Research Center, Shimoga, to this farewell ceremony. I welcome you, ma'am. I request Ms. Babina Babu to welcome ma'am with a flower bouquet. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Babina. I welcome Mrs. Nagaratna ma'am to this grand function. I welcome you, ma'am. I request Ms. Jayalakshmi to welcome ma'am with a flower bouquet. Of College of Nursing and Mr. Manikandan sir, Vice Principal of School of Nursing, and all teaching and non-teaching staffs of this gracious occasion. I welcome you all. Last but not least, I welcome all my friends and juniors to this function. I express my sincere thanks to all for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you, Manadu.
Aswati for giving a warm welcome.
A life by spreads brightness and vanishes darkness, bringing warmth and joy in our life.
So, may I request the distinguished dignitaries from the dais to inaugurate the function along with the representative of our outgoing boss by lighting the traditional lamp.
ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ದೀಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ
for bringing brightness to this program. Now I request the class coordinator of 4th year BSc Nursing, Sir Mr. Maltese, to read out a brief report of outgoing bus.